Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change colors background in Samsung Galaxy S22. To change colors background, we have to go to contacts. We are looking for a contact that we want to change. It has to be saved on our phone and not on our SIM card. And we have edit function right here. We need to tap view more, scroll all the way down, and here we have colors background. And right now it looks like this by default. We can change it by tapping background, and here we have a few options. Let's use this one. As you can see, color background has been applied. Save. And now when Mr. Morlock will call us, he will have a different background than default one. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.